Hey guys, so I just decided to do a quick little video. Sorry that I'm looking around. I'm a bit anxious because I just did my makeup in the car in a very crowded parking lot. So I just wanted to quickly, do this little intro, and just for some of you that don't know, I actually have really bad anxiety. So this is me trying to overcome my fears and in a moment of confidence just be like, you know what, screw it. I need to do my makeup. Let's do a little video and see how we go. Sorry. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So let's just roll the clips of me previously doing my makeup. People can obviously tell that I'm filming, and this is really awkward because I'm not used to filming in public. But yeah, this guy, they just like walked past and this guy goes, gotta, keep up with the trends. Okay, dude. Like, no, okay, I'm just doing this for fun. I don't wanna do it like to gain attention or anything. I don't know, I needed to do my makeup because we're going to a barbecue this afternoon, and I just thought, hey, you know what, I have my camera with me, let's film it, it'll be a fun video. And now there's someone else walking past and I probably look like I'm talking to myself. I seriously feel like everyone's looking at me while I'm making my weird mascara faces. There's people over there and here I am like, oh, this is so awkward. Uh-oh. It's literally the last day of August right now, and so it's still winter in Australia, and I feel like I'm literally getting sunburnt. Here come the ugly, really, really ugly mascara faces. Oh my god, there's a guy on the field like over that way, and I feel like he's looking at me and I can't tell because I don't have my glasses on. Hey, that's that done. Now, a little bit of lipstick. I used this one in another video of mine not long ago. little bit of this one on top. Kind of do the ombre effect. Okay, so that is all my makeup done. That was not fun to do. Oh no, a pen leaked in my bag. So now, oh my god, yes, I keep looking around because I'm so scared. Oh, this is so like awkward. Oh my god, there's bin chicken. There's bin chicken. Yes, I was using my Starbucks cup to film. And chicken! Get away from my car. Where'd it go? It's gonna like attack me. There it is. Hello. That's right. Scat. I'm a scat man. Oh no, that's not right. How did I do this before? I don't know what I'm doing, and there's people everywhere, and this is really, really weird. And let's unleash the beast. Okay. My phone needs to cool down. I was gonna show you the time, but no, it comes up with, I need to cool down. Okay, so in the meantime, I am going to braid my hair. There's people everywhere and I hate it. If you guys like these types of random videos where I'm just completely being myself, let me know and make sure to give the video a huge thumbs up for me. And I will face my fears, I guess, and do more videos like this if you guys want to see them. I'm gonna continue braiding. Wish me luck. Oh my god, it's so hot and I'm like so sticky right now. Oh, why did I choose to do this? Okay, so now that I've done my makeup, I really need to pee. Sorry, TMI, but I really need to go and I don't know if there's bathrooms here. Oh my god, the camera's shaking because my hand is shaking. I'm that freaking anxious. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my god, okay, there's people. Okay, that's awkward. And there's people looking at me and watching me. Yay! Oh, this is why I don't do this in public. Anyway, I need to pee and I don't know if there's bathrooms. I think there's some over there somewhere, but I don't know. Oh my god, this is so like obvious. Like all those guys over there, can you not, please? Can you like just kick your ball around and stop watching me? That would be great. I need to pee. It is 1:25. Ash isn't due to finish his game until like 2, so he won't be out until like 2:30, so that's another hour away. And yeah, I really need to pee. Yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know that. There's the horn. Okay, there's people coming everywhere because the game just finished. Okay, well, I'm just gonna say bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!